Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm actually really enjoying these Saturday, Sunday uploads. I feel like we're getting quite a bit done on the car. Step by step we're getting through it. I know it's not going to be the quickest build, but we're going to go through it as my ownership and show you like what the crack is and what we're doing. So today, what we're doing, you don't actually know, this is going to be like one of the, probably I'd say the must do things to your Honda. I've been out in 2 Honda Civics now, so I've been out in an FN2 and obviously we've got my one here. So I bought this hoping that this is going to change something drastically, but it looks like someone's already had a go but not done it properly, if that makes sense. But obviously we'll get to that in a minute. So let's show you. So this is a Tegua. Well, this has been bought from Tegua, but I bought it off eBay, so Tegua must have an eBay page, so all their jazz there. Like, honestly, I can't even look through these books, I'll spend too much money. But this is the deal. Come on, where are we? So this is the thing. So it is a K-tuned idle air assist delete. So it's basically some fancy like solenoid thing that sits on top of the inlet manifold, and it's like something to do with like when you get cold start. Sometimes it's not even the cold start related, but literally all it is a grub screw, a little grommet, and a little screw that goes into the top of the grub screw. So basically, let me try and explain. So my mate's Civic is his supercharged and stuff, and not even a cold. It doesn't have to be like a full-on cold start, but his cold start will be like, burp, like the engine seems to go, right, we need as much air as possible, let's crank the revs up. So his idle was horrendous, like it was so, you know, like on the new BMs where the boop for ages. For me, that's kind of annoying, so I kind of want that idle. I don't mind if it takes longer to heat up, but obviously I just don't want it sitting outside like revving its bollocks off, because that's just annoying. So mine's a bit funny. Mine goes boop, drops. So when I even get to the traffic lights and stuff, it's fluctuating weird. So I don't know if mine's been half blocked off but not done properly, so this is the reason for the video. So anyway, me and my mate will go to the gym, come out of the gym. It's only been an hour and a half, start the car up, whoop, and then when he goes to pull away, like the car jerks like hell. Like, I don't know if it's because of the idle and the throttle position sensor or whatever, but all I know is he's had the car 3 years yet, and I said to him, James, get one of these will change the game. I've been looking into them, and these are supposed to be the bollocks. So yeah, he fitted it, and he literally can't explain how much better his car feels. So if you hate your cold start, or if your car feels slightly jerky, it may not fix it, but he definitely says his car feels less jerky, and I've been in the car and I've noticed it feels a lot smoother, quieter. It's just not revving its balls off. This is a K-tuned item. It is literally just, I don't know if you can see that, it's just literally a bolt, a little rubber bung, and a little thing. It's like 28 quid. Not gonna lie, I feel like I've been robbed. I feel like I could have got a nut and a bolt for about £1 and just bunged it up. So yeah, they ain't the cheapest, but 28 quid from a K-tuned, obviously from Tegua. So if anyone wants to do this, let's go. So right, let's go on with the video. Before we get on with anything, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that kind of jazz. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's go. What's the first thing you're gonna want to do? Pop your bonnet. If anyone knows where I can get like an air lift or air support, that would be wicked, because I feel like this is rattling. That bit in there, I feel like that's rattling. So obviously when it sits in there and that is rattling a bit, so I wouldn't mind getting rid of that, to be fair. So right, this is the party. So right, you come to like your throttle body, there, your inlet manifold's there. So here it is. So you can see that this pipe here, it's a bit difficult because there is a little pipe underneath it. You can see literally, come on baby, come on, you can do it. You can see it literally just under there. So what someone's done on my one, they've literally bunged this up. Yeah, so they put a bolt in there, which is understandable, but then they haven't bunged this up, so if this is on the inlet manifold, surely that's going to be trying to suck up air. I'm guessing that's what that's going to do. So yeah, I think this has been partly bunged up, but that could be affecting the oil. I don't know, I'm not 100%, but yeah, let's give it a go. So right, I'm going to get the spanners out, get the tools out. I think it's literally just going to be a case of getting a socket on there, pop that off, and then put the new one in. I have been told there's coolant in there, so coolant might try and come out. My coolant is quite low. It's way below the minimum, so we're going to have to do a little, I think we might do a little coolant flush as well. So yeah, let's go. Look how sexy this bay is, man. Like the crinkle paint is literally brand spanking new. So James, you're watching this, shout out to you for keeping this absolutely pocker. So yeah, we could do with some new little bolts, new little filler cap, oil cap, you know, just to smarten it up and that a bit, because it does look lovely, to be fair. It's kept it mint. So yeah, let's have a look. Right, so we're gonna, first things first, we're gonna apply our little bung onto this little bugger. Bloody hell, that's tiny. That's so tiny compared to that. What the hell? Definitely goes on there. Jesus. Whoa. That's so small compared. Whoa. I could have made it a bit bigger. Jeez. And so what's got to happen next is, so obviously where I need to get to, the bolt, the nut is literally there, so I can't really get anything on it. So what I'm sure I've got to do, I've got to undo this, which is connected to the fuel rail. So a bit of fuel, a fair bit of fuel is going to come out, but then obviously it's going to give us access to when we want to get a spanner in there, and I'll crack that off. So yeah, let's I think it's just a case of push the two green clips in and then pull the hose off, and then obviously I've got my cloth to sit underneath it so the fuel doesn't go all over the engine. So yeah, I'll get to you when that's done. So the route is literally pretty easy, just literally push the green clip and then pull the hose back. So literally just sits like this. But you can see that there's a little lip on it. And basically there's a little rib on top of the metal bit there, see? And then that just like slots over it and then locks into place, so nothing to worry about there. Right then guys, so what you don't want to do is snap it. So I've literally undone the little metal bit at the top, like so. Hopefully you can see this. Come on, focus. So I've made this concoction. Obviously, hopefully you guys don't have to snap off yours, but I haven't got a 22mm spanner, so I've had to try and get a 22mm socket on an extension on a reducer on a 1/4 inch. So yeah, hopefully you can just spin this now and it comes out. I'm told coolant's going to come out a bit. Hopefully not, but we shall see. Yeah, we got coolant. Coolant is coming. That's literally it. So I believe this, see that thing on the end, it's like a valve, so it's controlled. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Yeet. Right then guys, so we're just going to whip this in now. I have saw on my mate's one, this doesn't go all the way in, which is quite annoying. I would have thought it would have like flat sat flush with the block, but apparently not. So yeah, let's whip this in now. Some people put Honda Bond or PTFE tape in with this because apparently it can leak. Hopefully not though, but yeah, we've got a grub screw for the top as well. So yeah, let's get it in. Hopefully you can see that bad boy there, just literally centre. I'm spinning it in. Put it in. Hopefully it goes all the way in, but I don't think it does. See, it's starting to get tight already. Yeah, so there's plenty of thread. There's quite a lot of thread actually left, as you can see. See it there? Come on, focus. Right, so as you can see there guys, there's still a couple of threads left. It's quite annoying. I would have thought it would have sat quite flush, but yeah, it cleans up the bay up a little bit, so we get rid of all those hoses and that. So yeah, let's see if we can tighten it up, hopefully get it down a bit more. Yeah, let's go. Right then guys, and we've got our little baby grub screw that goes into the top. So it's like a TX, or it's a big Allen. So yeah, we'll hand start that and then do that up. Right, so just to let you know, it's a 19mm, so you take it off with a 22, the valve, and then the new bolt is a 19mm. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know because I was trying to tighten it with a 22. Maybe I should have checked the bolt size before I did that. So yeah, sorted. And then I've literally just used a TX30 just to do the little grub screw up. Now what I'm going to do, just connect everything back up, all the hoses and that, and then give her a cold start and see if it's any different. RPM 900. Boom, yeah, lovely man, that's what we want. So that has definitely dropped the revs, that has. So that is pucker. Look at the dials guys, look how sexy the dials are. I know like not much is going on in this car, literally got steering wheel, dials, a dead edge unit and a GoPro, but I need to sort that out next. That look, first gear. Right, so because I'm nice, I'll give you a pull. But that's all you're having. You're having one pull. With the windows down a bit. There we go. Here we go then. Come on. Yeah, baby. Boy, that's naughty, that is, you know, son. Woo! I love it. Fucking love it. Wee! VTEC, baby! Oh, smells beautiful. Smells absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's that's all you're having. Right guys, so it's getting dark now, so I'm going to try and finish up the video here because we're running out of light. So yeah, that definitely seems like it's made a difference. I don't know if the idle definitely feels better, and it even feels better to like pull away and stuff. Like it doesn't feel like it's chugging as much. That's just made the camera shake. But yeah, VTEC baby. I didn't think I'd ever have a car with no turbo because it feels weird and slow, but it's so aggressive. It's weird. How can a Megane be 300 brake, 350 pounds-foot of torque, and then this be like slow as fuck? Not slow as fuck, but it's got like 200 brake, maybe 200 more because I haven't said stuff, but it's so aggressive and like savage. It's mental. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm trying to video the diary, the plan, what goes on. Yo, if I had enough money, you know, I'd be doing a full body kit. I'd be spraying the life out of it. I'd throw a turbo on it and a supercharger on it. I'd do so much shit. But obviously, I'm just a normal person trying to live my life. I do this as a hobby, and it doesn't give me enough back to be able to make this something proper. So I'm doing my best here guys. I'm trying to do bit by bit, and I hope you appreciate it because I've been doing this for 5 years now, and it's something I love doing, posting videos for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see next. Obviously you want a driving video. I've got to sort the tracking out first, because the tracking is absolutely buggered. One wheel sitting in like that and the other wheel sticking out the arch, so I don't want to be giving sends whilst one wheel's trying to pull that way and the other one's trying to pull that way. So that is the next priority. So we might go to a little tracking place, do a little video and show them what they're doing and stuff. And yeah, so yeah guys, thank you for watching as always, man. You lot are absolutely sick. And like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.